how do we usually trade with bands to get good results? Most of the time, when we see the price drop, we don't jump in right away. We wait for it to pull back to the band and then look to sell. And then...
Nope.
So what do we usually do when the price goes up? We wait for it to pull back to the middle band and then open a buy. But after that, the price will like that.
Nope.
And this is V-Elementra. It's not just a traditional band indicator, it gives us a whole different perspective to trade more effectively. So, welcome to the real-time trading series with ninza.co. Today, we're going live with our latest system so you can witness its real power. In this session, I'll be running Captain Optimus Strong to execute trades automatically. This signal shows us that the market is making deep corrections. The overall trend is still bullish, so when a deep signal appears, it tells us the market is going through strong pullbacks. In this case, the deep signal is suggested for an entry. And here's a trading tip we want to share with you. To pick out the more reliable reversal signals, we can track the delta strength of each reversal candle. Normally, the reversal signal is marked with an R, but I've changed it to a round dot, so you won't get confused by too many signals on the chart. And you can see on the chart that a bearish reversal signal has appeared, but here, we're not taking a trade. So why is that? Take a look here. As the price approaches the dynamic resistance, we have two reversal candles. The previous reversal candle showed a negative delta of 33, but the signal candle only has a negative delta of 25. That tells us the selling pressure is weakening, so we're not going to take a sell trade here. And right now, you can clearly see the price is just moving sideways here, which confirms that our conclusion was correct. This trick is simple. If the market couldn't push the price lower, even with stronger selling pressure earlier, then, with weaker selling pressure now, it's even less likely for the price to drop hard. And then we took the buy trade, and this buy was a winner. At this point, we decide to open a sell trade. The reason is that the current signal candle shows a selling pressure of 27 compared to only 25 on the previous candle. While the difference isn't huge, it still indicates that selling pressure is building up and sellers are gradually taking control. This suggests the market is likely to continue correcting downward, which makes taking a sell at this level a more reasonable and safer choice than entering without delta confirmation. And now, take a guess. Do you think this sell trade is going to hit the target? Next, right here, we have a bullish reversal signal showing up. But since there's no prior delta data to compare with, we're not going to take the buy trade. Discipline is crucial in trading, even though this signal looks pretty attractive and really tempting to jump in. Next, we've got a reversal signal here, and again, we apply the delta comparison technique. On this reversal candle, the delta pressure dropped all the way to 108 compared to just 27 on the previous candle. That makes it very clear this is a highly reliable reversal signal. But since I had my stop set too tight and let fear get the better of me, I ended up exiting the trade too early. Still, as you can see, this technique really helps us filter out and capture the more reliable reversal signals, instead of trading purely on impulse. And here we have another reversal signal. Once again, we apply the same delta comparison technique, and we can see that the buying pressure is now at plus 134, much stronger than the previous delta. This clearly shows that buyers are taking control, so we can confidently enter a buy trade here. And the result, we've got a winning buy trade. Next, we have another reversal signal here. But this time, the delta pressure is much smaller than before. Only 52 now compared to 108 on the previous candle. This clearly shows that selling pressure is weakening, so we're not taking this trade. And by doing so, we avoid a false signal. And after going through those examples, I've shown you how to filter out the more reliable reversal signals. In this live session, I'm mainly using the early and deep signals for trading. So now we'll keep focusing on those two. But if you'd like me to keep analyzing and trading with the reversal signal the way we just did, just drop a comment and I'll cover it in future live sessions. All right, let's continue. And that's it. We've just gone through 12 trades in a row together. All of them were done on a real-time account, not playback. I hope you enjoyed V-Elementra, and we'll meet again in the upcoming live sessions. Thank you so much for staying with me until the very end of the video. Join the HelloWin forum, where ninZaFamily traders come together to explore valuable trading knowledge and products. Click the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.